Experiencing frequent data drops on Tesco Mobile? This video will guide you through fixing common issues related to signal strength, band locking, and APN settings. As a Tesco Mobile user on the O2 network, you might encounter these problems, especially in rural or congested areas. Signal issues can arise from physical obstructions or network congestion. Band locking occurs when your device is stuck on a weak frequency band. We'll cover practical steps to diagnose and resolve these issues. APN access point name settings act as the gateway to Tesco Mobile's network, and incorrect settings will disrupt your data connection. Drawing on the latest updates as of October 2025. First, let's address the most likely culprits: weak signal, incorrect band settings, and improper APN configuration. To improve your Tesco Mobile data connection, start by checking your signal strength. You want it above -100 dBm for reliable data. Use your phone's settings or a signal app to monitor this. If your signal is consistently below -100 dBm, move to a higher location, away from obstructions, or consider a signal booster for better reception. Next, address band locking. Tesco Mobile uses O2's bands: 800 MHz band 20 for rural areas, 1800 MHz band 3 for general use, and 2600 MHz band 7 for urban speed. To unlock bands, use dialer codes like /4636 on Android or third-party apps to enable automatic band switching and prevent drops in specific areas. Finally, verify your APN settings. Incorrect settings cause data drops, especially after updates or SIM changes. Go to your phone's mobile network settings to update these. If issues persist, reset network settings or contact Tesco support. By addressing signal, band locking, and APN settings systematically, you'll minimize data drops. Also, use the Tesco Mobile app for diagnostics and signal boosting features.